right, today we're going to bring a gravel cleaner, and this is perfect, and this is a manual one, so it is a little smaller, but it will do any size of an aquarium because I'm going to show you a couple options you have. Now they give you the manual, they give you the long tube, and they give you the water flow control, and these are manual water flow control, and a bucket, so you could guide the water to the bucket. So this goes attached to the hose, and it guides all the hose to the bucket, so it won't overflow or anywhere else. This is perfect for you to have in hand, just in case you need something. And this is perfect. I actually have a couple of these. I end up buying these, and they give you this included with it. Different kind of shovel, so you can actually suck up the different kind of debris in there, larger debris. Because this one, if you guys can see, look at the actual inserts in there. It's a little smaller. This will give keep away from any guided guppies or any shrimp that you have. And we do have a lot of shrimp, so we are going to clean our fish tank. And it does deserve to be cleaned, so we need to clean it up right now. And this is perfect. It's a pump. It's an actual pump. You're going to have to squeeze the water in and out. So the way it works is simple. You get your tube in, you set it up in here, but you could release it here to make sure that if you get anything stuck in here or something, you can always come in there and remove from the valve. And if you guys can see the valve, it only comes in, but nothing comes back out. So just to be sure, just make sure that it's dressed. And if you could always shave this down to smaller size if it's too large for your aquarium, which is perfect. Once you set that up, you could tie it up in here. This is one end, that's one end, and then the tubing goes here on the other end. Lock it in place. A lot of people like to put sponges in here, so in case you just don't want to get a larger debris or anything like that, this is perfect too. And this will automatically bring all the rocks to the top, and it's going to clean it up. And then, of course, the tubing. The tubing is what's more important, and this is going to be attached to this area here. All right, we're going to clean our surface in there, because it's super dirty. We're gonna start removing the plants first, and then we're gonna suck the gravel and clean it up. And we have a bucket, empty bucket here, and a full bucket in here of water. It's already ready for them to go. So we're gonna start setting up. If you guys can see, this is how I set it up. And then I also gonna do the water flow control too. In my tank, look at my big old shrimp. Dirty water. I haven't cleaned it up for a while, so we're gonna clean it up, and it's working. Look at the flow of the dirt. I don't really have to do anything too much. It's flowing automatically. I pumped it once, and I just gotta move this thing over different angles, different areas, so the airflow. And you see all that dirt? Look at all that dirt.